że niby numer 1 jesteś, tak?
Dress trashy till you spend a lot of money. Everybody's talking about a new sound funny, but it's still rock and roll to me. What's the matter with the car I'm driving? Can you tell that it's out of style? Should I buy a set of white ball tires? Are you gonna cruise a miracle mile? Nowadays you can't be too sentimental. Your best bet's true, Army Blue Continental. Hot funk, cool punk, even if it's old junk, it's still rock and roll to me. Oh, it doesn't matter what they say in the papers, it's always been the same old scene. There's a new band in town, but you can't get the sound. The story's in a magazine, it's aimed at your average scene. How about a pair of pink sidewinders and a bright orange pair of pants? You could really be a mobile baby if you just give it half a chance. Don't spend your money on a new set of speakers. You get more mileage from a cheap pair of sneakers.
Co powiedziałaś?
Że jesteś ukryty z twoich lat młodości. Koniec już z wygłupami, tak? Teraz trzeba zacząć poważne życie. A to życie...
Czy tak wygląda poważny człowiek? Czy to wygląda na koniec wygłupami? Życie się dopiero zaczyna.
Sure to try to be a straight-A student. If you are, then you think too much. Don't you know about the new fashion, honey? All you need is looks and a whole lot of money. Next wave, new wave, dance craze. Anyway, it's still rock and roll to me. Now everybody's talking about a new sound, honey, but it's still rock and roll to me.